Good morning, good morning, good morning. I had to restart it because I had my desktop audio on and um I think it picked up a little bit of my music and then otherwise it gets copyright claim and sometimes it gets taken down and so I had to redo it. But I am here now. I've looked at the gappers like briefly and I think I saw one. I think I literally saw one. Oh, I see two, I guess. EOS and IFRX. Alright, let's go. Let's do this. FFIE. Honestly, I kind of wanted FFIE to keep rallying. It didn't do it. It didn't do it. Alright, who do we got here? Jofi. Good morning, Jofi. Venkat Ape Trades. My Ninja Ape Trades. Let's go. Joe, Mursa, Zach, Jesperanza. Let's go. Let's go. Blair is in here. Dart Trader at 809. Good morning, EOC. My God, Rev again. Alright, FFIE. I'm gonna keep this one just because I like I liked it yesterday. I did okay on it. This one, no. Drip, no. Grab, no. Armed, no. APRN. APRN was one of yesterday's stock, which ended up rallying, but low volume all day. B hat, no. Blue. Blue is still up here. Blue is still up here, and blue looks decent. So, and keep an eye on blue for sure. I want to put an alert on blue anywhere above 5, right below 5.2. NDP, no. RBCN. This one was a letdown, so screw you. PGen, no. LYT. LYT, how does LYT look? No, this is that one being down stuck. Good morning, Isaiah on YouTube. Good morning, Timothy on YouTube. How are you guys today? Jesperanza, hump day. Guess what day it is? Nice. LXRX holding most of yesterday's gains. I'll have to put that on. LXRX. MTech. Oh my god, MTech faded. There's all the shorts that got their move on MTech. Akba, no. Akis, no. Arpit, no. Reb, here's Reb. Reb did have a little bit of a move yesterday, and it is holding it overnight. I see on Reb there is a pretty good downtrend. So on Reb, if you draw this downtrend from the last 10 days, I don't know what it is. Yeah, there, here, here, yesterday, and today we did get over it. So this downtrend right here, we're finally over, and this has been the last like 10 days. So maybe Reb does have a nice move, but I don't know what this stock wants, honestly. I don't really know what that stock wants. It's traded IINN. Jesperanza, yep. I took I took some small trades all day and then finally got that one trade later in the day that it was okay. I mean, I was able to make 300 and something, 400 on it, maybe. IINN. Ape Trades took this one pre-market. Why did you jump in on this one pre-market? Did you pull a Ross and as soon as it pops on the scanners, just buy it? High on this one is 2.4. This one looks good though. It's crossing the 180 on the longer time frame. Maybe it's got room. Can I show the what? What can I show? What do you want me to show? What can I show? What do you want me to show? I bought the break of 2.2. Oh, okay, this is nice candle, yeah. It's really hard to day trade. I guess you could have the program buttons to put buy bid, buy ask, or sell bid, sell ask, or something on Thinkorswim. But I was gonna say it's pretty hard to buy and sell pre-market with Thinkorswim. Make sure you switch to your time and force back, Ape Traits, because I've done that before where I switched it to extended, and then during the day I was trying to buy, and I had it on extended, and I couldn't buy, and that was why. Alright, so now for the actual gappers that are on my list. EOS and IFRX. EOS, EOZ, EOSE, however you want to say that. IFRX. Oh, somehow I added FRX on the list. AOZ. Wow, AOZ looks like IINN. AOZ also breaking out of a downtrend on the bigger time frame. Next targets would be 2 on this one. So $2 on EOS. It has room to 220, maybe 205. I see 238 ish. Timothy, what do you want me to show you? I saw you typed something and then you deleted it. If you take it back, then that's fine. But just making sure if you got a question, I can try to answer or something. This one's EOS. Oh. That's why it looks like IINN, because I was on the 5-minute time frame, idiot. This looks better. Alright, so 175 is the high on this one. Oh, it's like this literally looks like barely any candles. So we got EOS. What was the other one? IFRX. Oh, this one looks bad. Good morning, Joey. What's up? This one looks bad. So that means we have EOZ. We got IINN. And that's pretty much it. What the heck? And then we got, I guess I can take a look at some Tesla again and see what Tesla's doing. How much time do we got? And my music paused too, so I gotta fix that. It like always plays one song as soon as I start it and then pauses and then I have to restart it. It's been doing this every day. Beastie, I just wanted to ask if I can show your last trade yesterday, but I can just watch your YouTube video. I can show you real quick if I got time. How much time do we got? Oh, we got 8 minutes till market open. I got time. 7 minutes. Good morning, Beastie. And you're also calling out Kazia. Okay, this one doesn't look bad actually, yeah. Kazia. High of 529. I'm gonna put this one on my other chart over here. If that one picks up volume, it'll be nice. It'll be nice. Did I miss one? Works. Somebody's calling out Works. Works trying to keep that $1 status. That $1 status. And then what was the other one? Oh, Reb. Everybody's calling out Reb. My good trade yesterday was on FFIE, which was which was here. So I saw it in the morning, and or I didn't see this one in the morning, but people kept calling it out all through this area, and honestly, I just kind of like ignored it. Well, not ignored it, but I just forgot and never looked at it. All of this, and then I looked at it in this consolidation right here, and that's where I was looking at the break of this, which is at 483. But I wanted $5, so that's the trade that I was actually looking for, which is a break of 5, which $5 would be right here. So I actually jumped in on that. Oh, I guess I could. Well, I could. It's just the same. I jumped in on that trade on this pullback here. I think I bought twice, all in that area, and then I took out some at 5, like 518, 529 was my largest sell, and then I think that was my last sell. So I bought in here and then sold all through this move here. And then I think I tried a smaller share size again several times, like all through in here and then up here somewhere. So I think I actually ended up giving money back, but like 10, 20 cents. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so I added 3,000 shares there and then took it on that way up and then re-added here on this pullback and then re-added, took them out up top, and I think I lost some on this one. It was a clean trade. It was like 300 and something, $400 almost, like 377 I think. Clean trade, but I didn't really average in as full as I did on MTech yesterday. MTech yesterday, at one point I had those 10,000 shares. I was ready on that one, and that one didn't play out. So, all right. So 3 minutes. What do we got? We got EOZ, which is probably one of my top ones to look at the open, along with IINN, which Ape Trades already took a trade on and is already green on this one coming into market open. So I'm gonna be looking at this one as well. After that, we do have Reb. Oh, frick, I hit my mouse sensitivity. Reb is up here, breaking the downtrend for the last 10 days. But, I don't know. This one we've just traded so much. So many people are watching it. So many people have eyes on it. It's ridiculous. INN 200 EMA is at 261. Okay, so we got room to that. Next one is IFRX. This one looks terrible. It was a gapper, but it looks terrible, so I probably won't even look at this one. I'm seeing another one, YSG. I'll take a look at that one. Casia, if this one picks up volume, this one could get better. I like the volatility of it, the spread of it. So $4, $5, perfect price range. And then 10 cents, pretty easy to get. And then Works also trying to hold $1. But let me see, YSG. Good morning, Agaska. Where have you been? Or have you been here? I haven't realized. Casia, INN, and Works. You been shorting stocks, Agaska, or what? Okay, so you were here. What's good? Good morning, Smitty. Good morning, Agaska. Good morning, Jose. Buenos dias. We got about a minute left. I will probably be looking at EOS or INNN. IINN. Everything still looks kind of slowish. There was only like one or two gappers and not very obvious. So it's still gonna be just on the lookout. Me as well. What is you as well? Good morning. One is INN not on your scanner? No, it's actually not. But let me see. I don't know why. Maybe it is. I'd have to scroll down a little bit. No, I don't see it actually. I have to check the stats on why it wouldn't have shown up in there. Juan, good morning. I love you. I love you too, Soul Granny. I love you too. We got 15 seconds. Alright, Let's see. All right, here we go. We're looking at EOS or IINN. EOS wants the high right away immediately. Look at this. But this could just be a fake. So watch. You need candles to hold, candles to close. Looking to see where IINN also rallying to that high. So if this one pulls back, I'll take a look at IINN. So looking at both of these right now, I don't know which one decides to actually hold this move. Probably they're both going to do the same thing just because of sympathy. So this one's pulling back, but IINN is not. So I'm going to take a look at IINN. And then we also have two and a half up here on this one. See, there's a sympathy play on both of them. EOS pulled back, and then IINN pulled back a little bit as well. Well, this one actually is still going. So alright, so we're gonna get a new high on this one. Can we get a new high on this one? You see how the shorts are just right there, right under 243? IINN has possibility to hit a new high, and then EOC is turning around a little bit, so it might have just trapped some shorts and might have a better attempt to break a new high and come back up on EOS. Watching IINN, it's consolidating up here on this one candle, pretty right underneath the highs. So this is good, but I want to find an entry. I'll take this here for the break of 250. 250, there we go. I wasn't as patient on it because I got messed up with my order and I forgot how many shares I had left. And I didn't wait on it. I didn't wait on it. Frick. I bought 5,000 shares, and for some reason I thought I had 2,500 shares, so I tried taking 5,500 out and leaving 2,000 as a runner with a stop loss. But when I tried going to my stop loss physically in my mind, I looked at it and I was like, I have 3,500 shares, so if I would have put a stop loss, it wouldn't have worked. So I started taking some out, and then I got confused. Oh well, $95 profit on it, and it's not running either, so I'm not upset about it. But EOS is still holding up here. This was a pretty quick scalp of break of highs, 243, candle closes, take that next one right there at 240, wherever I bought in, and then break of 250s on that one. Quick little scalp, close above, quick take the next micro pullback and rip higher to 250. That's exactly what I did on that play right there. ENJY. Okay, that one's a little cheaper though, but yes, I do feel like this is the better play right now. This one, I mean, I guess we could try to get $3, but that 200 EMA was at 260, and we would need to hold 2.5 right here. Yeah, you can tell this one getting all the momentum because EOS completely died now. Taking one small trade on IINN with $95 profit. I think the most I saw on that trade was only $200 profit, so I'm not that upset about it. I didn't handle it good, and I stopped out a little early, but it's not really ripping through these levels either. 250 is trying to hold, and then EOS. I'm still looking to see EOS keep holding that VWAP and get one nice move to the top side. But INN is holding this level here. 250 is holding. I want to see if IINN keeps holding 250 here. So 250 is a support now. That's what we were trying to break earlier. So now 250 is holding as support. Let's see if it keeps holding. Okay, a little bit of a dip below. Maybe scoop some shares down there. This is a pre-market high 243 here. Look the fucking birds, bro. 20 bids. Oh. Yeah, I don't look at the level 2 as much as you guys. I probably should. But I do see 200, but I see 100 on the bits as well. I'll stop out there. Right before that big flush. Oh, there goes EOS. So seeing if EOS can also keep this momentum as well. Held VWAP several times on EOS. Big sellers keep showing on in. I mean, I'm going to keep an eye on INN though. It's going to turn around. This little wick, bottom wick here that is recovering is what I wanted on this candle, where it falls below that support and quickly reclaims it. So watch INN coming right back up to that 250. Very good curl back up to these highs after that bottom. Let's see if we get this one nice candle here. And then a dip of 250 again would be the play here. We have 30 seconds left on this candle though. I don't want it to start doing what every single stock has been doing every morning, where you get into this tight range where sellers immediately block it off at a certain level. So holding right at 257. That's where you want those candles to hold. Just watching possible entry 271. Level. I should have jumped in it down there. A-Trade's been studying his scores and looking at level 2s. It definitely helps, man. It definitely helps. It's just the way you pick it up and you start learning and you watch. No, this one's gonna move out without us though, or without me. I don't know if you guys jumped in on this one. Zach, did you jump in? Or Ape Trades, are you in on this one? Agosco waiting for the short probably. Frick. This stock is not trading nicely. Like, it keeps pulling up, making these wicks, and then rallies back up, and then again makes a wick, and then third candle right there trying to get a new high. Like, either just pull back and make a nice curl back up through that section. BC did get in on IINN as well. EOS, I was looking for EOS to hold that VWAP and then start curling back up as well, but no trade there. What's up, John? Welcome back. Welcome back. I was about to say that, LO. Every candle making a different high, no clear levels. Yeah, so if it gets this choppy and keeps breaking highs, I'm okay with not trading it. Um, which is weird, but you'd want it to keep breaking highs, closing higher, and then consolidating sideways instead of pulling up, pulling back down, pulling up, tucking below that resistance, pulling like stuff like that. So, 20. Oh, actually, I guess I took a loss. I don't even remember. Oh, that second trade I took a loss somewhere in here. Yeah. So now I'm only up $24 on this trade on this stock. Let's see. Viru popping. Somebody's calling out. I do see Vero popping. What else do we have over here? ENJY. ENJY is its cheaper stock. Works. It didn't do anything. Kezia, I want this one to pick up volume, but it hasn't done anything either. Man. It still looks like II and N could be our better play, but IINN. I don't know if IINN has another high right now. It might pull back, maybe drop down a VWAP, and then make a nice move back up. Reb is. What volume does this have? 45,000. It's just the volume is lower on Reb. Like each candle has 45,000, 39,000, 50,000, 60,000. That's not the volume that I want to see. It doesn't. It's not moving as fast, and would be scared to get terrible fills just because of that. VRU is also one of those annoying stocks. IINN kind of looks like it's support here, don't you guys think? Well, I missed that entry. But I do see INNN holding a lot of sellers and a lot of shorts in here too. So if we get one nice move on this one as well, we could start opening up and get one of those pull away moments. Same thing with EOS, trying to curl back up over VWAP, reclaim VWAP on EOS, see if it opens up on that one, and get a nice curl back up to 170, 75 is a new high. EVFM, that's that. EVFM is that stock, yeah, $1 as well. Oh, this one just had a nice opening. What is CBFM's high? 154 on EVFM. Oh, I guess I had it marked up there. EBFM is making is opening up nicely. I'm waiting to see if EOS makes this nice move here. So taking a look at EOS, EOC, whatever you want to call this stock. Popped up to 167 real quick. Trying to hold while I just hit Vero for $60. And it looks like IINN already broke that uptrend that we had, so already not good. Lazy trader, I was in at INNN at 245 and out at 260, and I think I'm going back to sleep. Do it. You already made your money. Good job. So that's a terrible close on that one. On Vero, you said, oh yeah, you did hit. Let's see. If you look at the bigger time frame on Vero, though, if I draw a downtrend from these 2 points, it lines up exactly where we are today. Good job, though, Ape Trades. Good job. So right there, I mean, that's exactly where we are on that one. Dang, I missed you. Missed me? Waiting to see if IINN gets above that trend line again. So here is that trend line that I've drawn on IINN, and we are now trending below it. So shorts would probably feel more comfortable here, unless we get back above it. And then let's see if we get a new high of 265. EOS INENJY. Okay, 61 cents on this one. ENJY, can ENJY hit a new high today? I'm watching IINN closely on that downtrend to see if it wants to get back above it. EOS looks like tucked itself below VWAP again, so no trades there. Vero trying to hit another high, but this is that downtrend on the 180 chart. It's exactly lining up with this line right here, which is probably why it's struggling a little bit. $14 is up here, but this one's volume does look better, 300,000 and all of that, so that one looks better. ENJY is struggling to hit a new high up here. This is a very cheap stock, so even I can't even gauge the volume that well, because it obviously is going to say 1.5 million or 4 million on this candle, but it's just because it's a cheaper stock as well. So but it's holding that low right there at 57. It's holding that low at 57, so if it can hold that, it might recover like that, and then this time really spike up to that pre-market high. IINN already failed, so that's terrible. I was able to get in early on RDBX. Good job. Made 140 on INN and looking for a long spot if it can curl back up. ENJN struggled to get over 6. And then, okay, yeah, everybody's calling out ENJY. This one, you could have bought that double bottom there, but good job, Ape Chase. Good job. Ape Chase is really working hard on that consistency before increasing the share size, and he has been doing it for almost 2 months, I think, consistently now. So he is definitely learning and getting better and all that stuff. So good job, Ape Chase. Good job. He's taking it slow. Yeah, I mean, that consolidation there, I wasn't expecting much. With a move like that, 3 candles there, you should have already had enough buyers to rip that high. I need IINN. Come on. I know now Mersa's probably looking at IINN and drawing a downtrend on INNN. So right here. And then now we got to go the other way and get over this level here. So we'll take that one out, and now we look for a downtrend break, which try to be maybe that same 243 of pre-market as support, and then get over that 243 on this side of this downtrend and see if we can move back up. Dang, the one time Neo, man. Neo, I tried shorting it yesterday and didn't work out. And it looks like today was the day to short it. And it's back to that 20 level that I wanted to short. Come on, I need some momentum. I need some action. Come on. I'm up $24 on the day. This is not... And I gotta make a drive to Austin today. $24 won't even cover my gas. Here's that downtrend. Possible bounce in INN. Kind of looks like MTech yesterday, right off those lows and immediately popping right back up. I have to go drop some stuff off. So I literally have to drive there and back. Today your last day trading, Juan? No. No, I'll be back. I'll be back today. But I do have to miss next Friday. Next Friday I will not be trading. I have to go to a funeral next Friday, so I will not be here. Here's the downtrend break on this one. Let's see if it wants to hold this and keep moving higher. A little bit of a close there, and then this candle rips here a little bit. Nasty flush on that one. Oh, I got an alert for Sega. Oh, look at Sega, guys. This is why I keep all of my alerts on. What the heck? Look at Sega, guys. Sega is picking up some momentum. 1350. The break of 13.5 is right there. Break of 13.5 is right there. I wonder if people are going to come in piling up on this stock or not. And then IINN is holding that 243 as support still. I think that last trade I just took on there, I stopped that at the bottom because I came over to see Sega. So I might have lost something. Yeah, I do see IINN holding, but I see Sega as well. I don't know why Sega out of nowhere started popping up. EBFM is still in play. EBFM, the high of EBFM is 154. So it could be possible, could be possible. I'm going to put Sega over here. And then VERU actually spiked over that resistance, but this is a first attempt to try to hold it, and it's tucking below underneath again. IINN is holding uptrend for you. Sega, I'm looking at 1350, and this one has a high of $17, which is kind of high, but here we go. Here's that 1350 break. So there's 1350 there. 1351 broke it. 52. IINN, it wants to do that big curl. It wants to do that strong breakout. I hope it does. I hope we get one of those recently. I'm watching it, but it cannot break above that 248 and hold 248. Wow, were you guys seeing? Well, I saw IINN right there, but did you guys see Sega here as well? As soon as it hit 1315, it popped up so fast. I should have seen that one coming. I should have seen that one coming. Same thing with Vero. Is Vero still holding that downtrend? It is. Vero going for $14 here. No, it tucked way below. EOC maybe getting some attention now since II and couldn't do anything maybe. Heading up to this downtrend on EOC, seeing if EOC wants to keep moving. So, man, there's just so many stocks, but none of them are making a nice move. Like, they're all just popping up and then dying. I mean, Sega somehow still rallying up, but I don't know where the entry would have been on that one. And then Viru. Viru pulled back a little bit to that 13.5, so $0.5 psychological resistance. IINN is holding that 243 level support really good. Here goes EOC, the one I'm watching right now. EOC as well. This is one of the gappers this morning. That's Kano. Okay, I'll take a look at Kano. I'm seeing EOC if it can break this downtrend. Yeah, IINN is holding that 243 very nice. Either sellers are going to give out and make a nice squeeze, or sellers are going to win and flush it through that 243 so hard. Somehow Sega is just flying too. I wanted to trade Sega, and I just didn't see a trade on it, but I saw it at $13.20 and it's now at $14. Here goes EOC. Look at EOC, guys. Breaking this downtrend on EOC, heading up to that high of 175. Very nice squeeze after that one. So I might get down there on this one. I'm in on EOC a little bit. Break of downtrend and retest of it. See if it can spike up to a new high. I should have added more, but I didn't. Did not add on this play, but still holding to see if I get that break of 175. Maybe even get some momentum up to 18, 19, $2. There's a nasty flush on IINN. Look at that nasty flush. 2 seconds after I was calling it. I still have 2,000 shares on EOC, which volume is really increasing on this one. There's the time and sells all green. There's time and sells all green. Still all green, and it's not moving higher. You know, there we go. Nice little pop there. Can that continue? Nice little pullback here. Gets eaten up. Gets bought up by buyers. Back up to the highs. Have 1,000 shares left on this one. See if we can break that 175. Maybe, maybe not. Holding through this pullback here. There it goes. Gets bought up a little bit. Need a candle close above 169. Need this candle to hold 169. Why? From this 2 wicks over here to my left, from this wick right here, and that wick right there. If this candle holds 169, we'll get a next move. Candle has 15 seconds left to close. 169. Look where it's dancing on right now. It dancing. We got 5 seconds left on this candle. And shorts are panicking. Closes right at 169, of course. Well, at least I was able to freaking call where it was going to close at. But I'm still holding 1,000 shares on that one. Sega wants another high of 14.17 on that one. So curling back up on Sega as well. IINN looks like it's probably done. That one's just annoying. Like, it seems like the number one gapper that everybody is watching is just where the shorts are going to be. So looking at EOS again, in on this one still. Trying to get this break of 172 all the way to a new high of 175 and see if we can get a nice move higher. 169 is the level to watch out on this one. So 15 seconds left on this candle, and then a lot of buy orders coming through. The ask is at 170 at 50. 169, there it is. I might just get out. $100 on that trade. That's probably the ones that I should be a little bit more patient, but I don't want to. I'm barely up on the day, and I'll take $100 on that trade. Just a small, quick hit. Lots of sellers on EBFM. Here goes EOC now, back up to 172. Now I will be upset if EOC breaks 175 and goes to 1819 $2. That will be a little bit annoying. It does. $2. I don't know about $2. We'll see. Look at the here. I'm looking at the ask on this one at 172 is 160, 164, 174. It goes up. Up. It broke down. Oh, it did spike up. I want to look at Sega still. Sega crawling back up off of that 1380. I'm looking at Sega now. See if it breaks. See if it recovers a little bit and wants to get back to a new high of $14. Which $14 is going to be right here. So keeping an eye on that one. EOC has room to go up, but it cannot break a high. We can't break a high. How's everybody on YouTube doing? The YouTube chat is kind of quiet today. How are we doing today? Wait. 59 of you guys over there. Anybody taking some trades? Beastie, Lazy Trader, you were in on IINN. Isaiah, how's it going? Timothy, how's it going? Anybody else on YouTube watching? Still here, still here. Anybody new on YouTube? Anybody new on Tradecaster? Anybody watching here for the first time? I kind of just got the hang of just trading and kind of took a small profit on IINN. Okay. Beastie held INNN for too long. Oh, dang. Yeah, this market, we can't really hold anything too long. It's annoying. Here goes Sega again. $14 on Sega. Maybe break a 14, hold a 14, squeeze up to 14.17 on Sega. Nice volume off that low right there. Here's $14. There's a break of $14. Can we hold $14? I'll take a small stab there. Maybe pulls down a little bit. I'll take another add down there. See if this one wants to crawl back up to that high. See if it wants to reclaim $14, create this bottom wick, and then reclaim it. Just like that. And now see if it spikes up to $14. See if it now wants to spike up to 14.17 and hit a new high. Let's see if it wants to break this pivot here. Seems like it wants to a little bit, taking some profit there. Let me see. It's not really moving. I want you to move. I want you to fly. Oh, wow. Nasty little bit of a flush there, but still holding. It recovered nice. So if this candle closes above 14, next candle could take out that 1406 and then back up to a new high. So candle last second here. Oh, closed below. I want to get out of this trade. I'm going to get out there. $35 loss. I think I was up 200 on this trade too, but it just didn't curl back up. Vero trying. Oh, I do see Vero as well. Vero could hit $14 if it curls back up. 1387 there, and then hit a $14 high on that one. Blair is down $26. There you go, Blair. I'm happy you're seeing those small numbers. Congratulations, Blair. I don't care if you lost or not, but the fact that you dropped your share size and you're okay with 20. Oh, there goes Vero. Let's see if Vero just wants to spike to a new high just like that. Let's see if it gets $14 on Vero. It hit 1391. I have 1,000 shares left. That was a quick little hit there through break of highs, but I was looking for a $14 test, which sellers now came piled in. So I'll close out of that one and get out of it real quick. I don't want to get caught up in no flushes. Damn, but I lost 136 there real quick. EOC wants that high. Looks like both Siga and Vero might be overextended today, so that might be the problem on both of those. They're already pretty extended. Although if Siga tries to reclaim 14 and holds $14, I will play it again for the break of 14.17 again. Yeah, I'm done for the day. I'm watching you to learn more, coach. Nice. Awesome, awesome. So Siga, if Siga tries to reclaim this $14 again, I will take another stab on this one. On Siga, if it pops up again to $14 and tries to hold $14, holds $14, I will take another stab on this one. And Vero again, Vero, the one that popped up so fast and pulled down. Maybe this time it does want that $14 break. Watching both Siga and Vero, seems like they're both moving kind of similar with each other. Honestly, I'll want Siga first, maybe. I'm having to look at both of them. This is crazy. This is crazy. I don't know which one to pick. I don't know which one to pick. This one 14, hold 14 and hit a new high, or Vero 1391 and hit 14. They're even the same price. Both of them got up to a there we go. There's a nice spike on Siga. Quick break of highs there. Wow, I scratched on that trade though. I got the high and I took some profit. Oh, wow. Did you guys see that pull away right after I sold? Now this one is flying. Now this one wants that $14.50 from $14 all the way to $14.50 all in one go. All in one go. Siga was the play to go, and I let it go right after I sold. It pulled down, and then it ripped. I do want to see if this one wants to keep holding this levels, though. And then pull up to 14.50 maybe. On Siga, so we have about 10 seconds left on this candle. Volume needs to come in, buyers need to come in, push it right back up, get a nice little... No, it's closing way down there. Well, dang, I missed that one. Anybody was able to take that one on Siga? I guess I'll go back to Vero, because Vero still has a chance to hit $14. I'll take that dip trade over here on Vero. Why is it that the second I buy, people decide to just flush it? Like the second I bought, it flushed. Instant. Instant try to buy a dip, and it flushed. That's incredible. That's honestly incredible. Missed that Siga spike. I missed the Siga spike too, and then the second I come back on Vero, try to get maybe a sympathy play, I bought the first dip that I ever buy. Instead of buying a breakout, I buy the first dip here. It's a really small share size, 1,500. 1,500 shares, and instant I buy, flushed. It was pretty crazy, actually. So I've traded a lot of stocks today, and I'm thinking small winners, small losers, but overall I should be red on the day with that one for sure. So I should be down 130, so that's four. I should be down $300 today. Instant buy, instant flush, because I'm not special. Soggy Waffles, hi. If you don't mind me asking, what is the software you're used to track your trading, and it's free? No, it's not free. It's called TraderView. Trader View. Wait, oh, wrong computer. Trader View. It's called Trader View and it's not free, but I think it's like $30 a month or something like that. And it's definitely worth it. Taking a look at EOS. EOS still hasn't broken this high of 175. Yeah, not a single consistency mover. For real, it's like they attack us personally, right? Sniper trades. Ape trades, you're up $90 on the day. Yeah, that's a decent day for your share sizes right now. That's pretty good. So you can keep trading, just downsize, or you can call it a day. Up to you, man. Up to you. That's why you must establish a good trade plan. Or that's why you just trade like a robot and have no emotions. That also works. I don't know what's up, but my charts aren't moving like yours. Maybe because I'm not on level 2. I'm on the 1 minute, but it feels like a 5 while I'm watching, so I'm not confident in making a trade. Do you have some of the settings enabled to make it faster? So, Trade Zella, is that like a new thing that's coming out? So, Jay Bailey, go over, Chaffet, good morning. Go over to your setup at the top right. I'll do this real quick, so follow along, Jay Bailey. Go over to setup, go over to application settings right there, that very top one. Go over to system, go over to system. Okay, so it is set to real time. Then I don't know. Come on, Vero, you want to pop back up and give me $14 like I tried earlier? And you flushed on me? Juan, even if they play games, I would still be in the trade. Okay, okay. You're talking about on Sega 1401. Yeah, that one would have played out for you for sure. I got out early on that one. Did you take that trade though or no? Took 2/3 off my position with a limited profits, and my last 5 contracts I marketed out when I seen strong volume came in at 100% break even. Okay. Ethernet cable connected to your computer makes a huge difference in speed. Yeah, that also helps. So I don't know if that is how you are, Jay Bailey. Oh, I must have missed this sniper trade. Sorry. I must have missed the sniper trades. My bad, my bad. But good job, man. Congratulations. Was that yesterday that you had a bad day? So you're recovering today? Pretty good, pretty good. I shouldn't be typing on YouTube. So, Ape Trades. Good job, Ape Trades. Sniper Trades up $485 today. Good job. Let me see how much I'm down. I think probably 300, maybe slightly over 300. See you tomorrow, Ape Trades. Appreciate you coming in here and good job on your trading today. Yeah, $340 today. Down $340 today. So I guess I was. Where's this Vero play? Yeah, I guess I was up on the day if it wasn't for this stupid flush that I caught. Instant buy, instant flush. But oh well, that's part of the AMD. Let me see what AMD looks like. I thought I looked at AMD not too long ago and I thought it might have had a nice rally, but I guess I was wrong. Now it looks like we're at that time. Well, this one got halted and resumed. I never even looked at it just to see what it looks like. Anti. No, empty. I don't know what that is. That's correct, Sniper Trades. Don't try to get it all back today. Slowly. Darth Trader, you missed it. Okay. No worries. You'll get it back next time. You get it back next time. No plays right now. Yeah, I'm in the same boat. I feel like now is the time where everything's slowed down and we're not finding trades. Maybe if Vero wants to make a nice little move back up to that $14, it seems to be holding this 13.49 right now. But I got burned on that one red candle, the biggest red candle this stock has had all day, and I got burned in on it. Yeah, patience is key. Patience is key. Patience is key in your trade, and patience is key to be consistent and slowly scale up. Using Thinkorswim, but maybe that's it. The entire platform is different, so I can't even follow you because the layout and options are different. It's quite frustrating. Jay Bailey, yeah, so download it to your computer. It shouldn't take that much space. Just download it to your computer and then open it on there, and that'll help you. And then also, it's not going to look the same because everything is customizable, so this is the way I have it. Like, you can add stuff, you can take stuff away, add more stuff, so everything is how you like it. So it won't look like mine at all. Good job, Blair. Good job. Way to stay in it. Way to stay with small shares. I think I actually hit my camera with my foot, the cable behind it or something. I think I should be in. There we go. Yeah, I think we're at that point where we might not have good trades. I mean, still looking at Seagust, still looking at VRU, but IINN. I mean, look at this. I have a question for all you shorts out there. If it says none to borrow, does that just mean none to borrow for me, or is that none to borrow for all of the brokers out there? Like every single broker, or do they all have different stuff? Okay. I kind of figured, but I was like, so how is this none to borrow right here? And then so many shorts were in on IINN. Didn't know if it was like the company trying to sell at some point, like they bought up here and trying to sell it, or I don't know. I have some questions to you, okay? I'm not perfect. I'm right on the day too, so yeah, I know that part. If you saw my screen, you would know what I mean. It's a whole different world. And thank you. I will download and play with that instead. Yeah, let me know if you really need a lot of help setting it up. I can help you. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, that's what the people on Tradecaster said. Thank you though. Thank you though. I was just curious because how is this not holding? It's so many shorts the whole time, you know. There goes Vero again. Vero wants to catch another flush with me. That is kind of funny. Like, I mean, I bought a pullback here. I bought within a split second. Boom! Jumped off a cliff. It wasn't a Grand Canyon type of cliff, but it was a decent cliff. It's like one of those small cliffs you find at a lake where you just kind of crawl up on the edge of the rock and then jump into the water just kind of 10 feet high. It's kind of one of those, you know, this tiny cliff. But Still painful. If you land wrong in the water, it still hurts. If you land belly flop, smack your face during the water, still feels like concrete. Stings, right? Kind of stings right there. This right here kind of stings. This right here kind of hurts. It didn't break bones. I didn't break skin. Didn't break my account, but it still hurts. If you use tick chart, you would have seen the drop. Time charts don't show you details. Can you do tick charts on you can't do tick charts on 3D Ameritrade. I thought they had one, but you can. How do you do it? I I feel like let me see. Go ahead. Tell me the secret. Spell the sauce. What's your secret ingredient? Is that what you trade on? Only tick charts? It's in the time frame. You can customize one. Oh, tick. Oh my. How many ticks do you do per day? Or how do you set this up? Today. Tick. Holy crap, I'm learning stuff with you guys. Zach, do you trade with tick charts or no? Let's try 333. Add. Apply. Okay. Oh, frick. Hold on. This looks just like candles. What the heck? I've messed with it when I traded the bigger caps, but haven't really touched it here on small caps. Wait. This looks kind of funky. What if I do 1,000? Is the more the better? No. The more the worse. Oh, I see Sega jumped up right through $14 again. I need to fix this. Holy crap. Alright, let's go look at Sega with these tick charts. This is weird though. It's like I see the 1 minute and the 1 minute it's moving up in price, but this tick chart is not. Fingers crossed. Do you only trade with tick charts? If you scalp. Okay, this doesn't make sense. I would think that the bigger the more ticks aggregation period. Holy crap, what the heck? Do people trade like this? This is weird. This is kind of cool. This is kind of cool. I'm gonna keep trying this. I'm gonna keep trying this. Does anybody in here actually trade with only tick charts though? I didn't. Oh wow. Well, I saw that flush right now on Sega, and it like, even though you see a lot of them on this one, they spawn so fast though. Like it literally went bop 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 bop. Like printed like 5 in a row. I see Vero still. You see that drop? You could probably wouldn't have seen that one on that time. Sniper trays, you only use tick charts? Nah, I used to sometimes combine with my other time frames. How many ticks do you use? Or how many ticks do you guys prefer? What is this? I know, I know. I'll keep trying it out. I just didn't know what you guys use. How many ticks? Or what's like normal? Not normal, but what people prefer. I do have to freaking. This is Sega. Let me see the 1 minute on Sega. Oh, there goes Viru. Okay, okay, I'm learning something. I'm learning something. Tick chart seems like second charts compared to your e-signal. No, e-signal's second chart looks so clean. I have it right here. I really like it, but I'm trying to decide if it's worth the money, which I don't think it's worth the money. It's just they're so expensive. Let's see if I click on, if I go to Vero. See, they still move like candles. But if like that big drop here, see, you still see it in that 10-second chart. But the way these candles move when you're in like rallying up, it's just so clean. And a lot of these, like, I think I missed it, but on that Sega play, like you're able to scalp certain levels a little bit better. So for example, on here, this Sega, like I'll show you guys. So on Sega, if I go back to the 5-day 1 minute, this is a 1 minute chart, right? This is that trade that I took right here, and I took it looking at the 1 minute time frame. I took it right here at the break of 14, and then I somewhere around here I bought and sold and took a loss, and then let that move right there go with me. Can be done without, especially the way you trade. But okay, so watch that move right here, right? So this pullback in the 1 minute is just a micro pullback. But if you look at the 10-second chart on each signal at that time, that is right here. So if I was to draw a line even on the 10-second chart right there, it literally signaling right here, which is that same $14. At $13.98, it would have told you that you already broke a downtrend, that you already broke this downtrend. You're hovering above it already, 1, 2, 10, 30, 40 seconds above it right here at $13.98. That's where you click the buy button, and then you would have got all that move, which is essentially what I saw here on the 1 minute, but it's not clean. It's doing this, and it's telling you you hovered right over that point. right there. Isn't that pretty clean though? I just don't think this is worth 200 bucks a month though. That's the if this was like less, then yeah, I would just solely use these charts. Reb. Oh my god, Reb. Where are you going to, Reb? 7.3 is a high on this one. Did news come out? Because this is a nice, just random spike. I don't even know what this line here is from, and it's holding pretty good. Oh, it's yesterday's high. This was pretty, I don't know. Oh, 2 days ago's high. For real, it's like the day that there's nothing else to trade, people just go back to Reb. Like, I think that's just what it's been established at, like the backup trading stock. INN failed, Siga failed, Vera failed. Okay, let's go back to Reb. Let's just trade Reb. That's literally what it's become to. If I had a novice target here, I'd chase this, but I have no idea where it's going to. I mean, it's high recently in the last days is $10. We're pretty far off, and there's a lot of resistance at $7. 650 actually. Oh, it's exactly where it's at. So if I look at the bigger time frame here, the 180 time frame, $10 is a high, but then look at all of these spikes right here, right there, at 650. It's holding all of these levels right there, and that is exactly where we are today. So I do not expect Rev to just fly through this 650. It could, but somebody was calling out EBFM still. Another slow day, another red day for me. Dang, in the last, well, I guess that would be 4 or 5. In the last 6 days, I've had 5 red days. Dang. Not looking so good, man. Maybe I can't day trade. ABFM go already. Pick up direction. Yeah. Wait, hold on. Oh, Vero. Vero's the only one that made me go red today. But I don't understand how, like, this is, you have gappers, right? You have obvious gappers, INNN, EOS, like, IFRX, Casia, works a little bit. All of these are gappers, and all of those failed. And then you have the stocks that aren't gapping up at all, like Siga, like Vero, like Reb. Like, how are all of these stocks rallying out of nowhere? How do people just like call each other and like, hey, bro, let's just pump Siga out of nowhere? This is gonna have a strong resistance here, 649. 649. The ask is sitting at. I don't even see it. It was so big, they didn't even want to show themselves. Oh, let's look at this move here on the tick charts. I can see why you say you see the move a little cleaner. It's a dark criminal. I could see why, but the way I saw that move down, it literally like spawned almost 3 or 4 candles right away, like boom, 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 boom. So even though this looks like, oh, you got time between this candle, this candle, this candle, this candle to see this move happen, it could have just easily done dash, dot, 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 dot within like 5 seconds. So I'd have to keep an eye on them a little bit more as I'm actually trading. I'll probably put one on the sides and then keep looking at the 1 minute, but look at the tick chart and see if I can see something. I will say that though, since you have more candles, you might be able to identify like kind of like that 10-second chart move, right? Like a little downtrend break here, a little faster right there, and then you see that candle right there forming already above it to be able to spot a move a little faster, a little earlier, I mean. Oh, let's see. Let's actually see if it called it on Sega. That same move that it was on my, hey, kind of, actually, kind of, yeah. Okay, okay. So it was this right here. Hmm. I mean, I see it there, but I also see a false one on this one. Lower the ticks and wind the chart. Yeah, I did 38 ticks this time. Let's do 25. That is pretty cool though. I mean, I would have seen this. How fast are these sprinting though? This is pretty cool, fingers crossed. I really honestly never knew you could do it with Thinkorswim. I never even looked at it. I didn't know you could. So this is pretty interesting. Now instead of actually paying for eSignal, I could just take that chart away and then put the tick chart up there and keep an eye on the tick chart up there as I'm trading the 1 minute. And then stuff like this I'd be able to spot a little bit, right? And then have the confidence to hold through that level there. So tick chart takes away volume and it measures the price only. Cause I don't honestly don't know what even the tick stop printing when volume dies off. Punishing you another day. Thanks for not punishing you another day. No, good job, Sniper Trades. You got that trade. You were a little patient on Sega, so good job. You took that trade. Actually, it's the same trade right here, right? You took that trade here, and then you pulled that at 14.3 up here. So good job, Sniper Trades. Red broke that 650. Barely. It's at 651. Let me see. 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 See, this is what I don't like. When they look like this. Like, you see, all in one line, all in one line, all in one line, one line, one line. I'll have to keep watching it. Yeah, I really don't think Red will hold 650, guys, so just be careful. Barcode stocks. Okay, if it tells you volume cells have slowed, tick candles are printed based on orders. Question for all. Any other resources I should look into as a total beginner? I've only ever done long-term investing, so I'm having trouble switching mindset for scalping. Any conferences, books, etc. Jay Bailey, are you on my Discord? If you are on my Discord, I should have a resource tab on there, and I have a couple of books listed there Let me see. Yeah, if you're on my Discord, go to the resources tab, and Ape Traits has actually put in a lot of books there. It looks like a couple videos and stuff like that. So, what's your Discord, bro? Didn't know you had one. Watch YouTube videos for hours every day for years. Okay, let me post the Discord link because both of on Tradecaster and on YouTube. Okay, guys, I have a question. I've kind of when I send an invite link, do I send it to the welcome or do I send it to the server info? Because that's the one they have to click. It's to the server info, right? Because I feel like if I'm on like about me or settings and I click the invite link, it sends it to that page. It should be the server info, right? I think so. I'm gonna do server info. I think that's what I've always done, and it works. So invite people. I'll edit this so you guys have it forever. Copy it. I think it's a server info because that's what you actually have to click to join it. So here is my. I've been putting in as much time as I can. Once my kid is back in school, I will have way more time to invest. Awesome. There's that Discord link for YouTube, and then here is that Discord link for Discord. I mean for Tradecaster, sorry. And today looks like it's slowed down, so I might be calling it a day pretty soon here. Both Vero and Sega are consolidating above 1350 and 1350. Wow, they both are. And possible bounce. Bro, look at this. You need to use tick charts when there's volume. Oh, actually, let's look at the volume when there was volume earlier. Wow, why does it look so barcodey still? Do I have too many? Yeah, I had too many. Okay, okay. Okay, IINN here. Where would that have been on the 1 minute? It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool, fingers crossed. I'm gonna have to try this out tomorrow. I'll have to try this out tomorrow for sure. I'll have it open on my up top or something like that, and then kind of tweak it to whichever one looks better. But I'm gonna try this. I like it. I'm not saying this is the breakthrough to become a millionaire, but it might help me a little bit to be able to get in some plays a little early, maybe even buy some dips a little early too. Oh, Jose, awesome, awesome, good job, man. Yeah, any questions you guys have on my Discord, I'll always check it throughout the day, so it's on my phone. I can see it literally like a text message. So any questions you guys have, go ahead and post them on there, or just to chat around with some of the guys after we're done trading. If they're still trading and I'm off, they'll be chatting on there. I know Mercer does it a lot, Zach does it a lot, Andres. I haven't seen Andres on this Tradecaster chat actually yesterday or today. Cal, Cal, what is Cal? IFRX volume coming in. Okay. I gotta get used to this though, cause I got the tick charts on right now. IFRX high is 176. I'm looking at the tick chart right now. I'm looking at the tick chart. Let me see if I can. So 162 there. I will say one thing I don't like about this tick charts is I can only go 5 days back, which zooms out too much on my chart. Okay, but I see this. See, on its tick chart, I see a bounce here. Whoa. What the? What the? What? You guys see this? So I guess trend lines are non-existent. Trend lines are non-existent in freaking. Trend lines are non-existent in tick charts. What the? Blair, no, I don't have I'm on a tick chart right now. I'm trying something out. This is the difference between time and tick. Okay, let's see. Yeah, you just have more candles in between. And seems like it wants to come back and reclaim VWAP, but it's still well off of that, so we'll keep watching it for now. But I don't think I'm gonna take another trade. I think I'll just take my small loss today again. It doesn't even cancel out yesterday's loss, so still in some green for this week. But it's pretty cool. I'll have to try the. No, Blair. I said I'm on tick charts. It's not a 1 minute. It's not a 1 minute. It's not a 1 minute time frame. I'm on tick charts, so it's a different thing. So if I go back to this, then it's there to go. It's accurate there. But I'm gonna try the tick charts tomorrow, Jose. I mean not Jose. Fingers crossed. I saw Jose just type something, and that's the first thing I saw. I use it mainly to get a better perspective on what the stock is doing. So you also use tick charts. Okay. A lot of you guys use tick charts. I didn't know that. I did not know that. I did not know that. It does seem beneficial though to for scalpers maybe find some better entries, but I'll have to give it a try. So I'll give it a try tomorrow. I think I'm gonna finish the day off today, there, guys. Taking a small little loss. Keep it a small. Yeah, combined with my other time frames. Yeah, I'll obviously combine them. I won't just use one. Bro, I'm tired of these same damn stocks, man. Reb, what the heck? Rev, and then freaking even Sega and Vera are kind of old, but I still trade them today. I desperately need some momentum back in this market because I have not been doing good the last 2 weeks. The last 2 weeks is not looking good. My winning percentage was up to 73% and it's down to 72. So I need to pick it up here a little bit. I need to pick it up pretty good in the next couple of weeks. Yep, we need some volume to come back in this market, guys. Try it. I did not. I did not get any of that at market open. I actually jumped in on this one a little bit later. I didn't want to chase it right out of the gate. Um, but I thought I was even green on this stock. Oh, yeah, I jumped in on here with a pretty big share size. I was up like $200, $300 on that trade, but I stopped out, and then I ended up losing some here, and then I think I lost some here. Bought 247, sold 245, so yeah, I definitely lost. I do have to go make a drive, so I'm probably gonna head out for today. I'll come back and then do my recap afterwards, probably, or maybe I'll do it before and head out. We'll see, guys. But that is gonna be it for me today. I appreciate all you guys coming in here and watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Try it. I don't know if you just got in here or not. And then I think on Tradecaster, E Jordan, you kind of showed up a little bit late. Revy is moving. Revy is moving, but I'm not gonna trade the stock right now. I don't know where it's going to. So you guys know I like to take those highs of an obvious target to have an obvious target of where the stock is heading to, and this one obvious target for me is $2. Right, this is where we were trading at previously. Here up here at 195, we spiked up to 193. Could never break $2, so I would not take this stock until we get back into that 1819. But that's it. That is going to be it for me today, guys. And I will see you guys tomorrow. All right, bro. I will see you Monday. Gotta work this next couple of days. Awesome. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds good. It's not like you're missing much, man, because this market has been pretty slow. So today a no trade day would have been better than me trading a few of the stocks that I did. So. Appreciate all you guys. Blair, fingers crossed. Thanks for those ticks. I'm definitely going to try them tomorrow, so I have a different chart open on that one as well and have it on the side. Debbie, John, appreciate it. E. Jordan, you came in a little bit late. If you're still trading, be careful. Don't trade just to get some trades. There's no obvious place today, so do that. And then everybody else on YouTube, appreciate it. Eric, Jay Holden, Jay Bailey. Any question, Jay Bailey, you got? Try it. Appreciate you coming in a little bit later. I don't know if you were here the whole time or not. Hold on. And then everybody else. Beastie, Timothy, Lazy, Soggy Waffles, Isaiah. Appreciate all you guys. So, I may ask you a question on Discord about the scanners. Okay, okay. Awesome, awesome. See you guys tomorrow. Zach, yes. Joey, if you guys are still trading, I know you guys were kind of new to that Discord, but Zach and Mursa and all those guys, if they're still trading, they'll put it on that Discord and talk about it as they're trading. And I think I have some voice chats if you guys even wanted to. But if not, just keep chatting on that Discord. So, y'all have a good one, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.